Redneck tree falling going on here. General equipment to use. It's wedged. And it broke. Little tape fell. Will it work? It looks like it's pulling it. Yep, there it goes. It's trying. Get past that branch. There she goes. There she goes. Little more. I think she's trying to go. Well, that's the shits. Time to regroup. Got her down a little ways. Okay, we're taking it from a different angle now. Let's see if we can get this sucker to go. Come on, baby. Oh, come on, baby. Oh, baby. Shit. She's stuck good. There she goes. Little more. There she goes. Now I think we got her. Holy shit, she's a tough one. There she goes. We got her. Yes. Redneck tree falling.